Today we're going to be making a pump, a water pump for your condenser. I've bought my condenser recently, like 2-3 days ago, and I cannot find the pump. I've looked all around the whole place and no pump. And searched over internet how to make a water pump, and the simplest way is just to attach a fan type contraption to your motor. That's a 12-volt motor, and yeah, I've soldered some tin. I just tin it on its tip. Wait, as you can see. So for that I'm gonna use this 12-volt motor. The more the RPM the better. I don't know what RPM this is, just I know it's fast and powerful. And you're gonna need something like this. Yeah, just make a hole, and then a bottle cap with some metal sheets like this. Then hot glue it. Yeah, Coca-Cola not sponsored. And yeah, we're gonna apply hot glue all over here. I'm gonna be back. We are done applying hot glue, and now we're gonna apply hot glue around here and then stick it up to here on the sides. Just be sure to rough up the whole plate. Okay. Yeah. Don't focus, asshole. We are done hot gluing the cap to the motor. Be sure to apply a lot of glue on the under of the motor so that no water leaks out. We have successfully attached this cap, or the fan you might prefer, and now we're gonna hot glue the whole thing in. Just fill it with hot glue, and then we're gonna make a hole over here. We have filled the place with hot glue, and now we're gonna start to make the hole. So now the hole should be about the size of your pipe you're gonna attach here. I'm gonna use vinyl tubing, as that's what I got. You might want to use something more rigid or strong. So when you've made this hole, then you want to attach a plate on top of this so that everything stays in put, and then on that plate you're gonna make a hole. Now here is what I'm gonna use for the top plate. This is just a plastic piece with a hole on it. It's from a Coca-Cola bottle, plastic bottle. Okay, so the reason for this hole is so that it's gonna go on top like this, and water is gonna go in this hole and then come out of this hole. Okay, so you want to glue it tight on here, so that, and ensure there is no leaks. I have attached this top plate. Looks not so perfect, and now I'm gonna attach the pipe here, and everything looks okay actually. And the pipe is attached, and now we're gonna test it. Meanwhile, I made another one with this motor, with a bigger motor, and there's the another one. So now we're gonna check both. I've tested this, it runs really nice actually. I've not tested this one yet. So now we're gonna start. I've set the condenser up as I'm gonna reflux, and now I've attached the hosing to all the stuff, and we're gonna attach the power supply. Wait. Okay, no shit. Okay, so I had to stop it because the stuff was too fast and I ain't got no hosing here, but it runs actually. Wait, let me show you one thing. So I now have it outside, and I'm gonna attach the power supply and see what happens. We're done. Okay. And sure enough, it does flow with a pretty fast rate.